Are there any more amp weights going into the arena? How many we got in there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like we got 5 amp weights.
Really?
I see Grinding Nemo.
Okay. Which robot?
Right there in front of the judges. We got Chainsaw.
Which robot's first?
Right on the big blue saw there. TerrorBot. That one starts with a B. Brotator. Centrifuneral force over there next to Fingertech Robotics. All right, is everybody ready? Somebody push a button. All right.
That's good.
Start the countdown. Wait a minute, is this a 3-minute or a 5-minute one?
5. To the death! 5. To the death!
Till only one remains.
All right, he's changing the clock to 5 minutes.
So like a minute and a half.
Yeah, pretty much.
All right, 5-minute match. Audience, pay attention. You get to judge.
Oh, I don't know how to turn the weapon on. Didn't tell me that. Oh, I can drive. I don't know how to do the weapon. Try it on Nemo. Nothing, run away!
Lost the weapon.
Run away!
Lost the drive.
Oh, I'm gonna figure out how to do this. Turn that on. I don't know how to turn your weapon on, by the way.
Chainsaw's over in the blue square fighting himself. And he gets flipped over.
Oh, the chainsaw just get off. It's fighting you. I want to I like those. That one that we have.
I can't push you around.
And the one that's spinning around the place.
You know, it's your fault. Aha! I did it. I just had to hit just about. I figured it out. Do it on purpose. Brother, man. I know that. I need to beat him. I gotta beat him.
There's 3 more minutes left.
Come on, hit my blade.
Sibling rivalry.
Oh, stuck on one wheel.
Yeah,
I can go backwards.
too.
There you go. As long as you go over there.
I can only drive backwards.
Here, I'll run into your drop. See him on my foot.
2 minutes left.
That one was a
Must sacrifice the DSC for Nemo will devour us all.
smoke from Nemo.
Okay, I'm not gonna turn that on.
Just keep smoking, just keep smoking. Smoking, just
We're in the water. I'm gonna come spin at you, bro.
fish fry. So how do we have 5 spinners and not a single
Not a
spinner?
single one of us is spinning.
This is embarrassing.
Answer is up there.
We need a wedge in the pit.
Oh, my
1
wedge is
minute
not
left.
working.
Someone flip me over so I can.
Okay, where are you?
I'm the orange one.
I'm gonna try to flip
Alright, there you go.
Right now it's like a 5-way tie.
Well, it was smoking for a second ago, so I turned green. Well, I can only... Oh, there you go. I'm gonna flip you. Oh, almost. I'm trying to flip him.
Oh, it almost went. Yes. Oh, come on.
Results, guys.
Yes, Chase.
There we go.
Or whatever you just did. Yeah, but I can't move like that. I can only move when it's not doing that.
And that's the match. Looks like we have a couple of weapons working at the end. Grinding Nemo seems to be working, and Chainsaw still got his weapon working. Oh, TerrorBot's really firing around there. All right, audience. So the green one over there with the green spinny thing on top, that's TerrorBot. Who thinks TerrorBot won? Thank you, audience. Centrifuneral force. Right here. Who thinks this one won? Alright, one blue one way over there is
Brotator.
Brotator. Who thinks Brotator won? Alright, we got two more. We got Grinding Nemo. Who thinks Grinding Nemo won? Who thinks Chainsaw won? This one.
I couldn't get the levers because it started smoking, so I turned it off.
We got a runoff.
I kept cycling the
One more time, audience. Between the two bots. Between these two bots over here. Who thinks Brotator won? Who thinks Grinding Nemo won?